Disney earnings are out. Are you excited?
Well, what do we have? Tell me
Well,
what it is, and then I'll tell you if I'm excited or not. I don't know about Disney being
I just think
Disney.
Disney stock is going to get a little cheaper. So, it's a buying opportunity, I would assume. Not financial advice. Do your own due diligence before you buy. Today, it was Disney's earnings. So, it missed EPS and it had a weak guidance on its subscribers. I mean, I'm not really surprised, Lex. I have Disney Plus, and nothing really new or entertaining or interesting came out except for Peter Pan and Wendy. But I mean, that's just it's not something to appeal a vast majority of subscribers.
I don't have Disney. What's the monthly fee for that?
I think it's like 9.99 or something like that.
Okay, it is lower
So
than Netflix.
yeah. So Disney reported a significant growth in its theme parks, but guidance wise, the subscribers of Disney Plus was the reason why it missed it. Well, actually, it didn't. It missed EPS, but it did beat revenue. So it's not like it wasn't making money. It just uh was a drop in a lot of Disney Plus subscribers. So, the future Outcast wasn't looking so good. So it did drop. Let's pull up the Disney chart. So, it's something to look out for if you are a day trader. Uh let's see right here.
But the good thing about Disney is the summer is coming, so that's gonna be a good summer for
I think
people to go to Disney.
it's gonna be spring before summer. So we're gonna have rest of May. June and July is I think when the actual I think quarter will be starting for the summer. Uh it just reports its earnings at a certain quarter. So basically it would be taking March, April, May into consideration right now. Um Now with that being said, like if we look at the graph right here, Disney wasn't doing so good even though the CPI was beat. We'll talk about CPI in another video. But as you can see, towards the earnings, it just slumped down, not even coming back up. But then again, like these big companies, usually you'll see a fall, but it might come right back up to at least wherever its breaking off point was, which was 99. It held that. So see, maybe it will come back to around that point if the market is positive tomorrow. If not, then you can see lows of. I mean, this is a big, very, very big point actually looking at it. So it could still cling on to the 95, 96 level. But if it goes any further, you can see it go down to at least $94, which is another resistant level. So Disney, as you can see, has been very choppy for the past previous months. If you take it out a little more, it's still a very good buying opportunity. Like $84 was at its low point. So this is still a good buying opportunity. But if you were a technical analysis type of trader, then you're seeing a downward trend appearing. So we'll see how Disney actually runs with this, but it's still a very good buying opportunity. Not telling you again to buy in at this moment, but it's something to look into. Uh, it's at its pre-pandemic level, so like I said, it's a good buying opportunity, but do your due diligence. I may as a long-term investor might nibble some in my long-term portfolio. With that being said, yeah, looking forward to Disney. I think Disney is basically still a profit making company. It has a lot going for them. It has Marvel, it has Star Wars, it has Disney parks, it has a lot of things that usually come during the summertime that could probably potentially bring in a lot more revenue and income. We got Avengers and all that stuff coming up. A lot of you know shareholders don't obviously buy the stock for, the Marvel movies or, theme parks or anything like that. A lot of shareholders keep a Disney because uh it generates a lot of income based off, like, families, uh the theme parks and everything, the merchandise and stuff. So when shareholders see a price at this level, they might, think it's like a good deal and nibble onto. With that being said, going forward, I think once this DeSantis and whatever Bob Iger little problems that are happening, they're both suing each other. Once I think that clears, you might see a potential pop in Disney. So if you want to start nibbling a little, which I'm gonna do, not suggesting you are, but if you want to nibble, I mean, this is a good opportunity, in my opinion. Not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Anything you want to add, Lex?
Oh yeah, I'm just like you just want to add to what you said about Disney and the state of Florida. Hopefully they're gonna settle things in for the benefit of the shareholders because that's gonna be a problem if something major happens.
It's 50%
But
down from its all-time high. So Bob Eager has been a very potential good factor on why it rise to that level. And a lot of money during the pandemic was coming because, a lot of people were, going and subscribing to Disney Plus. Right now, it's it missed it by like 7-8 million. So revenue still coming in. Revenue barely beat. So it was like 21.8 billion compared to 21.7 that was expected. So it's basically like barely beat
flat,
it. So yeah.
yeah,
So I'm hoping, like you said, if the summertime comes, hopefully a lot more people are going to be going through these theme parks. We're actually over with the pandemic, so that's a big key. That, the WHO, basically WHO, World Health Organization, said that, COVID is no longer a pandemic. So we might see full through lines going into Disneyland and Disney World in the summer. So it's going to be peak season for Disney after 2 years. So look into that, going forward too, as one of the positive catalysts.
great. Uh, well, I think this is it for this video. And guys, like always, subscribe, give us the like buttons, let us know what you think, and we will see you on the next one.
Bye bye.
Take care of yourself.